Hi, this is part 3 in our playlist here on login bonuses. Today's login bonuses are at easyonlineadvertising.com. You may get a little different results, but there's actually 2 login bonuses, and one is consistent, the other one doesn't seem as consistent. Because when you log in, you will sometimes, I've seen a 30 credit login bonus, but then it disappears when I log in every day. It looks like it came back today for some reason, so here it is. And 30 credits is pretty good for a traffic exchange because that's 30 visitors. It's not just like 30 credits, like 30 emails, which may be less than one click. This is actual 30 visitors in the traffic exchange. So that's a good login bonus, one of the best that I've seen on a busy site with, I don't know how many thousands, but I think there's a few thousand members on this site. So you will sometimes get this 30 credit login bonus. Then when you log in, go down, scroll down to here's a little special. Serve 50 pages a day and receive 50. That's a Happy Mother's Day special. But this is the spot. And when you do this one, it has been 10 credits when I've done it lately. So you get as much as 40 visitors just logging in on this site. There's 10 again. So either 40 or 10, but even 10 is pretty good because that's 10 actual visitors. Here in easyonlineadvertising.com. That's not a bad deal, but I think I might pass on it this time because I like to get these login bonuses and then spend the rest of my time on the best mailers that I can get, which are even better than traffic exchanges. But that brings us to, and this one is a traffic exchange, but that brings us to an issue about traffic exchanges versus mailers and how to deal with traffic exchanges and what to promote on them. But before I do that, when you join this, remember, just serve 50 pages and you get 1,000 website credits. Now that's actual visitors. So surfing only 50 times to get 1,000 visitor bonus, that's a good deal as well. It's one of the best ones. There used to be a site where you could, and occasionally you'll find a site where you don't even have to surf at all and you get 1,000 or more visitors. But those sites don't tend to last. A site needs to promote some way to actually surf. Otherwise it starts to die over time usually, unless they have a lot of members. But those are your login bonuses for easyonlineadvertising.com. Now, what do you promote in a traffic exchange? Because it's not so good at making sales. You could build a list, but what I do is I use a Traffic Odyssey leads leap combination. So Traffic Odyssey, after you join, if you haven't joined yet, log in. In the Via Vessel Bridge page, you're going to set that up, and your actual link for the Via Vessel Bridge page is right. You notice it has VVB in it. It's right here at the bottom of the page. So this is what you would promote. And let me show you what mine looks like. And I'm putting the Leads Leap Co-op link into the Via Vessel page. Let me show you what it looks like. When you promote this, you will get these ads, and so you're earning ads in addition to, let me just go ahead and close it, in addition to the Leads Leap Co-op, this is my Leads Leap Co-op page under this header area here, and I got here where people can sign up to Traffic Odyssey, and I got my own banner here, and so you can put a banner you want on the page as well. And it's like the same link as the banner, so I didn't hyperlink this area. But yeah, if someone can click on this, they could buy something. Yeah, whatever it is you're selling, anything you can put here. You can put anything you want. Okay, so this is the Via Vessel page, and this is what I promote in Traffic Exchanges. I've got a new deal for co-ops. I haven't taught it yet, but for now, this reason why is because co-ops, they sometimes do not accept the Leads Leap co-op because co-ops don't like other co-ops. So you might not be able to use this page, but you could put something else beside the co-op in here, such as a lead capture page to build a list. Or you could use my new method, which I haven't taught yet, but I will soon. When you set up your Traffic Odyssey Via Vessel bridge page, you first have to go to the Exit Cred page, and then you put the target link as your Leads Leap co-op link, which is on the co-op earnings page in Leads Leap. You put it right here as your target URL on the Exit Cred page. And then once you set up your Exit Cred, then you go back to the Via Vessel, and then once you get down to destination URL on the Via Vessel page, this is where you put your Exit Cred page. And this allows you to earn credits in Traffic Odyssey through this Exit Cred page, as well as have your own banner. See the banner URL? Banner URL and banner destination URL. That's it right here. So when you put it in this page, it ends up right here. Okay, so this is what I do on Traffic Exchanges, the Via Vessel bridge page in Traffic Odyssey. Check for the links in the description. I'll have all three of these. Okay, so you get up to 40 visitors here in this part 3 of your login bonuses. And 40 visitors, that's super easy, so it's recommended. But I just recommend you use this Traffic Odyssey Via Vessel page in Traffic Exchanges. That's it for part 3. See you on the next one.